a great spring walk with boardwalks, a giant uprooted tree, and a sweet water view. Next. Spring has sprung on Cape Cod, and it's time to get out and explore before the bugs come out. Today we're at the Bridge Creek Conservation Area in West Barnstable. It's a beauty. How about 246 acres with 2.5 miles of easy walking trails, old stone walls, abandoned cranberry bogs, tidal and freshwater streams, open marsh, hardwood swamp, and much, much more. We parked at the parking lot on Church Street and got it going. Well, actually, we sat right down with our back up against a tree and soaked in the sounds of spring. But there was more to see. We have seen a lot of root balls from upturned trees, but this one is the biggest by far. That's got to be almost 10 feet tall, maybe 25 feet wide. We're inside the upturned tree, and man, that shade feels good. It looks like someone might be making camp around here. And maybe they were eating beans. Gastronomy aside, one of the real highlights of this walk is crossing the two bridges that give you a great view of Bridge Creek Marsh. I had a blast out here, and I feel like I just scratched the surface. You can probably find a lot more at the Bridge Creek Conservation Area in West Barnstable.